Hi guys, so let me introduce myself. My name is Yurika, and here I'm going to tell you about someone who helped me become a brave person. I used to be a coward in every way. I was often afraid to make decisions, afraid that others will criticize me, and afraid of being alone. I often complained about my fears to others. At that time, I frequently felt afraid and overthought things, but I often complained about it to my parents. They listened to all my complaints and gave me a good advice, especially my father. Their responses always make me feel more at ease and help me stop overthinking. The responses they gave me became a source of motivation for me because not long after my father fell ill, and from that moment on, I had to be brave enough to do everything on my own. Because of that, I became brave enough to travel alone and brave enough to ask others for help. Although to some people this might seem trivial, but for me it was a significant step forward in my personal growth. I was able to meet many people from all walks of my life, talk to them, and share stories with them. There was a moment when I was waiting for my father at the hospital. He needed medical care, and I saw elderly patient who was hospitalized without anyone accompanying him. He was alone in the ward with only the nurses assisting them. Since that still feels strange to me, I could only speak to myself and assume that the patient possessed great courage and a strong will to recover without anyone by his side. He relied solely on the hospital staff and was brave enough to ask the nurse for help whenever he needed something. That made me reflect that there's actually nothing to be afraid of. If we don't dare to try and don't dare to step out of our fear, then we're the ones who are truly at a loss. It also became a lesson for me because I also had to take care of my sick father and go everywhere only with my mother, which made me a braver person capable of doing anything on my own. Those times became a very valuable experience and lesson for me. And this is story that I can tell you, guys, and thank you for your attention. Goodbye.